Topic 9, Ecology. My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Topic 9, Ecology, Learning Outcome E. Examine the impact of invasive species on native biodiversity, ecosystem, and economies, as well as strategies for their management and control. We are going to look at learning activity C. Using problem-based learning method, learners examine a case study of a pest infestation controlled using biological agent. Each group makes a write-up and present to the class. Problem-based learning, biological control of pests. Item 1. Let's look at case study, aphid infestation on tomato plants. Students are presented with a case study. A tomato farm is suffering from severe aphid infestation, affecting crop yield. Ladybird beetles are introduced to control the pests. Task: identify the pest and the biological control agent. Describe the characteristics of aphids that make them successful pests. Explain how the biological agent controls the pest. Identify the pest and biological control agent. The pest is the aphids, and the biological control agent is the ladybird beetle. Describe the characteristics of aphids that make them successful pests. Aphid characteristics: they have a rapid reproduction, they are small in size and mobility, they suck plant sap, weakening plants. Explain how biological agent controls the pest. The ladybird beetles feed on aphids, reducing their population naturally without chemical pesticides. Problem-based learning, we are looking at biological control of pests. Item 2. The case study is a water hyacinth infestation. Students analyze a wetland infested with water hyacinth, controlled using weevils. Task: identify the pest and the biological control agent. Explain how the agent affects the pest population. State one ecological advantage of using biological control instead of chemical control. Identify the pests and biological control agent. The pest is the water hyacinth, and the biological control agent are the weevils, Neochatina species. Explain how the agent affects the pest population. Weevils feed on leaves, flowers, and roots of water hyphae, slowing its growth and reproduction. State one ecological advantage of using biological control instead of chemical control. Ecological advantage: reduces pesticide pollution and preserves non-target organisms in the ecosystem. Problem-based learning, biological control of pests, item 3. We are looking now at agricultural pest, the maize stalk borer. Students examine a case where maize stem borers are controlled using parasitoid wasps. Task: identify the pest and the biological control agent. Describe the mode of action of the biological agent. Suggest one benefit to farmers. Identify the pest and biological control agent. The pest is maize stem borer. Biological control agent are the parasitoid wasps. Describe the mode of action of the biological agent. Wasps lay eggs in or on stem borer larvae, and developing wasp larvae feed on the pest, killing it. Suggest one benefit to farmers. Benefits: reduces crop loss without harmful chemicals. It lowers production costs and promotes sustainable agriculture. Problem-based learning, biological control of pests, item 4. We are looking at integrated pest management, IPM. Students are asked to analyze a farm that combines biological control with other practices like crop rotation and resistant varieties. Task: explain how biological control fits into IPM. Identify 2 additional IPM strategies. Discuss the advantages of using problem-based learning to study pest control. Explain how biological control fits into integrated pest management. Biological control is a component of IPM that naturally reduces pest populations. Identify 2 additional IPM strategies. Other strategies, we have crop rotation to break pest life cycles, planting pest-resistant crop varieties. Discuss the advantages of using problem-based learning to study pest control. Advantages of problem-based learning: encourages critical thinking, problem solving, research skills, and application of real-life scenarios. Still under problem-based learning, still talking about biological control of pests, item 5. We are looking now on environmental and economic analysis. Students summarize the overall impact of using biological agents in pest control. Task: identify 3 ecological benefits of biological control. Identify 2 economic benefits. Suggest 1 limitation or challenge of using biological agents. Identify 3 ecological benefits of biological control. Reduces chemical pesticide use, hence less environmental pollution. It preserves beneficial organisms like pollinators and soil organisms. It maintains ecosystem balance. Identify 2 economic benefits. Economic benefits: reduces costs of buying chemical pesticides and improves crop yield and quality. Suggest 1 limitation or challenge of using biological agents. Limitation: biological agents may act slowly or be affected by environmental conditions or sometimes attack non-target species. Key learning outcomes: learners can identify pests and appropriate biological control agents. Learners can analyze pest characteristics, ecological impacts, and control strategies. Learners understand the advantages and limitations of biological control. Promotes problem solving, teamwork, research, and critical thinking in real-world agriculture and ecosystem management. It has been topic 9, which is ecology. Thank you for participating in topic 9, ecology. Our learning outcome has been E, examine the impact of invasive species on native biodiversity, ecosystem, and economies, as well as strategies for their management and control. We have been looking at learning activity C using problem-based learning method. Learners examine a case study of a pest infestation controlled using biological agents. Each group make a write-up and present to the class. If this has been useful, visit me at Mugabe Joshua Biology on YouTube.